disappointed sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Hey, what's up? What's up, YouTube? Alright, I am Jimmy Sequence. I'm here in my garage where there's nothing but sound system equipment. Yeah, this place is super loaded with equipment. There's hardly place to move. I'm in the mood this morning to do a Luciano showcase. I have nothing to do for this. I have like 2 hours break in between my students and stuff, so I'm gonna just run through some Luciano. Make the item here for the Luciano collection set. See? So this is the machine. Turn on my breakers. So that's the distro that controls all of the top-end amplifiers. Each amplifier, on the top end I have 4 amplifiers, see? So this is the 3004 that plays mid bass, see? I have 2 of the 200, no, that's a 3004 play mid bass, and I have 2 of the 2004 playing high mids, and 1004 playing horns and tweeter. My drive rack and my Cosmo on the bass. So I have the Cosmo on the EQ in the back playing bass, the drive rack playing all of the top ends, and I have 4 pieces of the 3002 playing the bass. See? Now, keep in mind, like I said, this distro only plays the amplifiers up in the front. So each amplifier is on its own breaker. Nothing is sharing breakers here, right? Each one of these amplifiers are on their own breaker. Let me show y'all what the back looks like. So again, this EQ with the Cosmo up in the front plays the bass. That's all I have on the bass. There's none of the other additional stuff that you will see on the typical Jamaican sound system rack. Now this distro here, each amplifier is on its own 30 amp breaker. See? So this distro only plays the bass amplifiers, and they're all on separate 30 amp breakers. So that's it. Let me get this thing going and play some tunes. See? Yeah, these cuppings, all of these right here, are newly built, never been played. So that's 4 mid bass and 2 of the linery style top-ends that have 12s and horns and bullets. See? So let me get this thing going, and I'm gonna just go and run some Lucy. Yeah, this place full. everything popped up everywhere. I definitely need a bigger space for all of these things, but honestly, I'm not going to pay for a warehouse for a sound that I'm not using to make any money. You feel me? The sound's not making money to pay for a warehouse, so I'm definitely not going to be paying for a warehouse when I'm paying for a house that has a garage on it. You feel me? That's just my thing. I'm not. If the sound was making money, then it would make sense, but right now the sound is just a hobby for the time being. The plan is to start doing things like we did back in the days, because back in the days, you know, Sequence was responsible for most of the shows, most of the reggae shows, and a lot of the big dances kept in the South Florida area. If we weren't doing the shows or dances ourselves, we were on them, or they were renting and using our sound systems for these events. So the plan is to get back to a time when we're, you know, we're promoting a lot of the dances and shows and whatever, but for the time being there's none of that going on. So the song is just being played, you know, I would say just for fun, because you know, if you're not making no money, it's really just for fun. Like, we're playing on the 28th on 19th Street, 19th Street and 441 in Lauderdale on the 28th. So if you're in this area, you can come check that out. That's gonna be a vibe. But yeah, these things are mostly for fun. We're playing in the Mother's Day thing up in Clewiston. It's gonna be 5 sound on that one, and that would be Sequence, Hot Stepper, Acid, True Vibes, and Shocking Sound. So there's 5 big sounds that's going to be stringed up there. That's going to be a vibe. Trust me, that's going to be a wicked vibe. Get in here and get some Luciano going. Alright. Looks decent. Thanks, yeah. And I'm gonna be looking up at it, but it's fine. It's cool. Alright, let me just start this with a jingle.
I just want to say bless up the Secret Sound. I like Snappy, Jimmy, and Father Lexus. I like Looney, Express Sound, DJ Mikey D, and shout out to the whole world, saying, and the messenger said that.
Do that again.
Now great to speak to get it underrated break sound like Sequence that run the place and set the faces down plenty of some somewhere face. Now we go say Byron, Landy, Jimmy, Father Lexus, and Sean. Turn it on, somebody didn't go on. I will sell you by serving it to my brother.
Sequence! Sequence! Tell a little jump on over this, so it's gonna be a weeping and a wailing and a gnashing of teeth, and sell the godson boy if you don't have teeth, the boy after Nasha come. Luciano the Kabbalah, attack them!
Finish them. Run it well. Sequence sound and kill them now. Oh, yeah. All farmers in the house and urban say you want the scene. Yeah. I'm another farm in the hills. Riding from all the Friday. And at the end of the week, I got to listen to Sequence sound and be on my virgin, my king. Take a little soul in the next hour. Listen to Sequence, the place makes up so but okay. I so why let I be done? When Sequence sound is a playing, we do plate a play. Yeah. Till I took the sensing. Yeah. I said I so want to the machine. When Sequence a play. vibes is alright. Secrets give some songs tonight. So time, so fast tonight. Oh, what a night. So much to light. Put me to scan, keep it scanking. Oh, yeah. It's a secret sound till the morning. They are so clean. Till I took the sensing. Okay. I say that's so bad to see secrets play. See how we can do play. Make Jack a sudden and right road. So I will take us some time to mix a sequence as scripts. Me and me friend I got on the definitely the trouble for them. When I did that I mix a sequence, the champion I was.
He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High God shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty.
A sequence song, the God bless sound. I become a set man like Jimmy, Byron, and Father Lexus. London, run it upon them. We trust in the Almighty. Jah give us the power to conquer our enemies. Run it! Glory, hallelujah. Sequence sound I play. Say glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy sound. King of kings, of the dance hall. Sequence of rules and reign. And ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. Through all the years and years to come. Sequence around the place. Bless them again, Jah, as a killer of the sound today. Bless them, Jah, pray. Let sequence sound lead the way. Bless them again, Jah, as I need to sequence sound I play. Bless them, Jah, pray. Make some sound bomb through the way. So look around, get souls today who continue to see. Pharisees and sound boys taken up in vanity. But I know you control our destiny. From you our blessings flow. From yesterday, even today. Sequence sound we play. Bless them again, Jah, as a kill another sound today. Bless them, Jah, pray. Let sequence sound lead the way. Bless them again, Jah, as I listen sequence sound I play. Bless them, Jah, pray. Make some sound bomb through the way. Yes, I come to the dance all alone. When the dew was still on the roses, and the sound I hear ringing in my ear. Secret sound the champion was playing. Yeah. So me, secret must play conquer is the thing pan sound boy. So I got iniquity working sound boys. Now we come say Byron, can we trust in the Almighty Jah, we never go wrong. London, Jimmy, man like Father Lexus, and Sean. And we are say algebra, say I wrote it to my brother.
The wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life through Christ. Luciano, attack them.
Run it. Sequence, attack them. Did I so bad to take free? So this is sequence sound. Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now? Where? Who could it be now? Trying to get the sequence sound. Oh Lord. Who could it be now, Lord? Who could it be now? Where? Who could it be now? Trying to get the sequence sound. Oh baby. I so boy I have to run away. Hey, when they hear the sequence sound I play. Yeah. Cause it's just like Judgment Day. Yeah. I so boy gone under the Miami clay. Oh Lord. Me tell I so boy not to taste me. To this is secret sound. The beginning already. The blue bands gather on the ground. Hold up. So who could it be down loud? Who could it be down where? Who could it be down? Trying to test the secret sound. Hold up. Who could it be down loud? Who could it be down where? Who could it be now? Trying to catch a secret sound. Okay. And they do have no selection. See I could taste the champion. The secret sound they keep them one. I say that nobody to come down. Okay. Say who could it be now? After all the jazz done, who could it be? Tape and soundboard. How could you be so disrespectful? Talking all kind of garbage, saying all manner of evil against the sequence sound. But tonight, you must get thrown down. Finish them. Now big up yourself Byron, Lundy, Jimmy, Father Lexus, and Sean. Turn it on. Shoot. Roll it from them. Oh, well, Lord. So bad, oh, could you, okay. How can you be so ungrateful after all? Sequence and pay for you. And how can you be so unruly knowing the rules that sold for two? In that song is handiwork I see. That sequence on rule that's with authority. Whoa, what a wonderful feeling. Sequence on play for me. Oh, so bad. It was ordained for sequence to rule and soul. A little somewhere in the fear at all. Why do you taste the sequence sound? Not plain and decent way. Oh, somewhere how can you be so ungrateful after all? Sequence and pay for you. And how can you be so unruly knowing the rules that sold for true? With some picked up lights. Sequence around. Now great to speak to get it underrate the great sound like sequence sound that run the places set the faces WPLATE after some white face. We got my like Jimmy, Byron, Father Lexus, and Lundy. The messenger the Kabbalah said, run it! Run over that sequence sound. Some white thing a friend is juggling. Run over them. A song killing here. Sequence rule that song. Friendly days ago, so many days are here again. When the star explode, now the sun goes missing. Another jump and come on. Secret sound is reason. Friendly days are gone. Okay. Looking back and taking stock on all those sounds. Sequence on beat, out in the street, I so get the beat. Oh, many sounds and beats, some of us never have it easy. When sequence on touch the street, some of us go to cemetery. Sequence on room dance on with the dog, and then the massive blow. Sequence is ready for the world. Friendly days are gone, so giddy days are here again. When the star explodes, now the sun goes missing. Another drop and come on. Secret sound is reason. Friendly days are gone. Okay, to die. Build a massive door. The sequence is ready for the world. Friendly days are gone. So kitty days are here again.
Run them out of town. Let me go be set by Ron. The kill jump on by law. Let me go be set Lundy. A man like Jimmy, the messenger. Now we go Father Lexus. Sean, turn it on. Somebody done gone. Home with the wind.
Finish them.
Mike is in on server to my problem.
Yeah, them no sequence. Luciano, bless them.
Run it on them. Somewhere we jump fence.
Away. Secret makes some somebody beat the love. Run and gone. And somebody have to run away. When the music sequence play. Somebody have to run away. Cause it's just like Judgment Day. Selectors have to run away. When the sequence start to play. You need to somebody be wise. Back up your jump and go one side. The sequence is moving stride by stride. You plead that somebody take a dive. Oh Lord, and somebody have to run away. When the music sequence play. Somebody have to run away. Cause it's just like Judgment Day. Selectors have to run away. When the music sequence play. Holy to somebody be wise. Pack up your sound and go one side. Remember that you are not the sequence side. When you hear them dogs, they just take a dive. Oh God. In the abundance of the place, sequence from the place. Then the rapidity raps of someone's face. The sequence play them dance, and the dance plays also great. Sequence sound them round the place, set the pace. And somebody have to run away. When the music sequence sound play. Somebody have to run away. Somebody disrespect sequence sound, going straight to a casket. Run it upon them. Big up the man like Sean, Alex, Lodi, Byron, and Jimmy. And the messenger, come on, finish them. Finish them. Up the mountains as the masters. What do you meditate to listen to? Big up plates with my sequence sound. Hits after hits. Giving some words. Hits after hits. Finish them. Kaboom. Well done. Ballad in the building. Sequence give them a see that both casket. Another soul boy kick the bucket. They come and dance all like one like them hard. Sequence sound kill them like a dog. Sequence sound give them a see that both casket. Another jump and kick the bucket. Them come and dance all like one like them hard. Sequence and them over graveyard. Sequence sound play them so hard. This a murder in a the dance hall, Lord. Hero something pan sound by a ball. They can take it at all. The plates are flying just like a guillotine. Soon boys are wondering if they live to see a morning. Well, sequence give them a seed about casket. Another sound boy kick the bucket. Them come and dance all like one like them out. Sequence sound kill them like a dog. Sequence give them a seed about casket. Another jump and kick the bucket. Them come and dance all like one like them out. Sequence and them over graveyard. Well, sequence nothing and nothing with no river and stench. Nothing with gold in our guns and no trench. Strictly up front, them no deal with backbench. Them come out some clash with enough confidence. And open up on heads and it's a big argument. Some boy the sequence on and them face it get that. Mash them up like old truck in an accident. Some boy gone on station, gonna just statement.
Said because of Alex, them in no torment, them make
Now
Sean
sequence the sound of plays not
them,
for classical
them,
dubs, killing jump and sounds classical.
No, the killer
This is
boy,
the
and
change
they've
of
been
the
fed
message. Jump and
from
some
John.
them tragically.
Give them a
Big up yourself,
seed
Sean, Alex, Lodi, Byron, and Jimmy. And the message of the Kabbalah. So take it away. The Kabbalah. So take it away.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all. After so many dubs that sequence on plays, sound boys living in fear, wondering if and where he's gonna disappear. Whoa, whoa, guess what's happening? Sequence sound is playing. Watch the master done raining. Sound boys have to flee. Whoa, whoa, guess what's happening? Sequence sound is playing. Watch the master done raining. Sound boys have to flee to the cemetery. How could life be so unfair? You wonder how John reached up there, sitting in his easy chair, while someone is in deep despair. If and when he's gonna have his share. Whoa, whoa, guess what's happening? Sequence sound is breaking. Watch the massive done red. Come on, so take it away.
Blessed is the sound that walketh not in the counsel of them God, and standeth in the ways of sinners. Nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the Lord Almighty God, and in his law that he meditate day and night. A sequence sound no trust in the mighty God that give another power to conquer. Now big up yourself, Alex, Lodi, Byron, Jimmy, and Sean. Turn it on.
Well, sequence on again. Sweep over some sounds. Sequence on just sweep over that sound. Those soundbars may think they're tough. Sequence sound sweep over their sounds. Well, every day, every morning, I will sing a song of praise to him. Hail the dancehall king. Whoa. Every morning I will rise. Every morning I will sing. Every evening I will lift my voice. When sequence sound I play. Oh yeah, yeah. Tempest blow, sequence sweep over some sound. They must suffer, them a ball. Sweep over some sound. Sequence sound sweep over that sound. Those sound bars may think they're tough. Sequence sound sweep over their sound. Sound boys are rolling on. Sound boys are rolling on. Under the tree of life. Sound boys are rolling on.
Without further ado, I present you
I do believe
sequence sound.
Sequence sound gonna
Killing jump and sounds day and night. Anything that's got white, run it on them like Sean, Alex, Lodi, Byron, and Jimmy. You see me? Run it.
Yeah, Luciano, come on, I don't know, sequence the champion. Come cross.
Well, worries again. Sequence on that system. We say we're gonna buy the man in some boy. Can't come good in the evening. All you some boy are going with. Sequence on come to give you a meter. Say sequence on to show you a sign. Evil son boys in this time. Whether you're deaf or you blind, sequence on will kill you anytime. Say sequence on a carriage and word well. Most of it traveled around. And sequence on a carriage and word well. Most of it traveled around. When sequence on touch the road, them do box well overload well. When them touch the road, some boy gone in a boat. Well, long time sequence want some sound boy, but some boy never want to listen. No other things them a go on with. Sean and Anne come to teach them a lesson. Say sequence come to show them a sign. Evil sound boys in this time. Whether you're deaf or you blind, sequence sound bound to kill you anytime. Say sequence on a carriage and word well. Most of it traveled around. Sequence on a carriage and word well. Most of it traveled around. When sequence on touch the road, them two backs will overload well. When them touch the road, some boy gone in a boat. Kill some sound. Bury them for me. Bury them for me.
Yeah, that was my Luciano showcase. Seeing, again, I'm home, and whenever I'm home, I feel like I just need to be doing something. So I say, why not do a Luciano showcase? Because I have enough Luciano. You see? So hear me. Now I'm just going to power down the sound and go and edit this video. So the way I do it, generally speaking, you know, you turn down the levels on the amplifiers first, then you turn off the power. Turn off the power, and then you turn off the breakers. That's how I do it. Turn off that. Go in the back and do the same for the bass rack. Well, the bass distro. And that's really it. Alright, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You know, you guys hear us begging, us content creators are always begging for you to subscribe, because you know, without new people coming on to the thing, the channel will not grow. And you know, in order for us to get to the next level, we need the channel to grow. This channel have about 750 subscribers, so I need 250 more to get to 1,000 to be, you know, to take it to the next level. And by the way, I have 3 channels. I have my driving school channel. That channel has what, 18,260 something subscribers. So that channel has been monetized for a while. My car channel, so the driving school channel is ACC Driving School, by the way. I have my car channel, which is Exotic Car Culture. That's a new channel. That one has like 260 something subscribers. And this one, Sequence Sound. So subscribe to this channel, tell your friends about the channel, share the channel, and help me to build it. Alright? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.